So I have not been singing for a while. I just went through the most. Like my world just literally fell apart, and yeah, it is what it is. But I just feel like I just need to sing. I just need to say something. I just need to tell God something. I just need a worship altar. I need to sing. I really need to sing. So, starting from today, I'm gonna start singing in the house. I'm gonna be singing. I'm gonna be praising. I'm gonna be telling God what I want. Um, Telling Him about the love that He has, because God is just amazing. He's just so loving. He's so true.